In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new dashboard in Jira. We'll walk through a simple, four-step process so you can quickly set up a place to view the information that matters most to you and your team. Even if you're new to Jira, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira workspace and looking at the main interface. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical navigation bar. This is where you access different areas like projects, filters, and of course, dashboards. Look for the section labeled Dashboards in that left sidebar. If your screen is a bit narrow, you might just see icons, so hover your mouse over them until you find the one that corresponds to Dashboards. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to the Dashboards area, where you can see any existing dashboards you have access to. Next, you're going to create a new dashboard. In the Dashboards view, look near the top or side of the page for a plus sign. This plus sign is the option to add or create something new. It might appear as Create Dashboard or just a small plus icon, depending on your Jira layout. Click on that plus sign. This will open a form or a dialog window where you'll set up the basic details for your new dashboard. Now, it's time to give your dashboard a name. In the form that appears, look for the field labeled Name or Dashboard Name. Click into that field and type a clear descriptive title. For example, you might name it Product Team Overview, Sprint Tracking Dashboard, or Support Ticket Summary. Choose something that makes it obvious what the dashboard is for, especially if you'll be sharing it with others. A good name will make it easier to find later and helps your team quickly understand its purpose. Once you've entered the name, review it briefly to make sure it looks right. When you're happy with it, look for the Save button in the dialog. This is typically located at the bottom right corner of the window. Click on Save. Jira will now create your new dashboard and open it for you. From here, you can start customizing it with gadgets, filters, and charts, but the dashboard itself is now successfully created and ready to use.